Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The US looks all but certain to dodge a recession. American stock indexes are trading at record levels, and even riskier investments like Bitcoin are at their highest prices ever. But gold, often viewed as a hedge against market losses elsewhere, keeps gaining value. Saudi Aramco CEO Amin Nasser said the oil giant was looking at further opportunities to invest in China, where he said oil demand was robust and growing. Demand is healthy and growing in China, Nasser said, following the release of Aramco's profit results. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed lower on Friday after touching record highs, with high-flying chip stocks going into reverse and a mixed labour market report that showed more new jobs than expected, with a rising unemployment rate.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's current account at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.